Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to airdrop from iPhone to Android. So let's start the video. First of all, connect both phones to same Wi-Fi. Then open browser of your iPhone and type snapdrop.net in search bar and tap on search. Now open browser of your Android mobile and type snapdrop.net in search bar and press search button. Now go back to your iPhone screen and tap on phone icon. Here select any photo you want to send from your mobile gallery and tap on add top right corner of your iPhone. Now your selected photo has been sent to Android mobile. Just tap on save to download it on your Android phone. Now open your Android phone and you can see that your selected photo has been sent to Android phone from iPhone. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you find any sort of trouble in doing this process, you can comment me. I will try my best to answer your comments. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.